everyone will tell you that you should have a niche before starting your own YouTube channel. They'll give you a big list of topics to choose your niche from, which will consist of lifestyle, beauty, health, blah 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 blah. But what nobody talks about is how to even find your niche, how to know what your niche is. I also personally struggled a lot with this question as to how to find my niche, what even is a niche, and I struggled a lot, and I feel like a lot of the people who are starting off the YouTube channel and have just a very new on YouTube just like me struggle a lot with this question, and nobody's there to answer it. Literally, I have scrolled through so many of YouTube videos just to be able to find that one question as to how to find my niche, and people are just giving so much of gyan out there that you should have a niche, but how even to have one nobody talks about. So just a little disclaimer before getting into the actual part of the video is that I am also very very new in this. I have just entered this world of YouTube, and so I have little idea as to how things can be done. I am still yet to go there. So in this video I'm just gonna share my experience with finding my niche, as to what I did to find my niche. So hopefully it can be of some help to anyone watching. I'm gonna list the points that I'll be discussing in this video today, so you can get an idea as to what you can expect from this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Point number 1, what even is a niche? What is this niche? In the most simple words, niche is something that you love talking about, that you feel it can be anything that you feel passionately about or love talking about. That's it. Point number 2, and another most asked question, is when to even find your niche. Like, how much time can you wait? I would say that take about 3 to 4 months and just experiment with YouTube. सब करके देख लो, उसमें सब टाइप की वीडियोस बना के देख लो, डांस, म्यूजिक, लाइफस्टाइल, कॉमेडी, सीरियस टॉक, एवरीथिंग, एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन, just try and test for those 4 months. Don't take this pressure that from the very first day, oh my god, I don't even have a niche, I don't even know where to start from, what to talk about. Just talk about literally anything. Just take a moment, be like, okay, what do I really like talking about? What do I really feel passionately about? Pick that topic, and if you really want to start your own YouTube channel, just put up a camera like I have right now and just start talking about it. That's it. You should not take the pressure of having a niche from day one, because you know what, that is only going to ruin your entire experience of starting a channel of your own at the very first place. This journey should be all about rejoicing and enjoying and learning and experimenting. So don't be that serious from day one that, oh my god, I didn't even have a niche. It's fine if you don't have a niche. Just start with anything that you have in your mind. Just start. Point number 3, and I feel like this point is the one that a lot of people struggle with, is that how to draw a balance and how to draw a line between what I want to put out, what kind of videos I want to put out, and what the audience actually wants. It's a question that has troubled me also a lot, and let me tell you how to tackle it. Firstly, the very first doubt that I want you to clear out of your mind is that, oh my god, this is what I love, but this will not work because this is not trending. No. In today's time and age, everything is trending. Everything. There's an audience for every single thing. You make a video on inverter, on mobile phone, on camera, on nariyal pani, on makeup, on lifestyle. There's an audience for every single thing. We live in this golden age that there's an audience for every single thing. You name it and आप उस पर वीडियो बनाओगे, और कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी को वो हेल्प करेगी, कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई उसको देखेगा. We live in these golden times. So ये दिमाग से अपने ख्याल निकाल दो कि oh my god, this is what I like, but this maybe it's not trending, so it will not work in my favor. No. If you're not able to balance, just do what you love. That's it. If you're not able to balance out, if you're like, you know what, maybe for example, anything is trending, but you don't like that trend, but it's trending, and what you love doing is, you feel like there's a less audience for that, or maybe that's not really, people are not actually seeing these kind of videos aajkal mein. So what you do is, you just do what you love. Why am I saying this is because you can never do something with conviction if you're not happy doing it, or you're not in love with it. For example, if I am able to talk about self-love and self-confidence and solo dating or self-development so confidently here is because I feel it in deep of my core. I feel that these things work. I feel that this is very, very important. I feel that it is helping me and so many others. So I feel for the topics that I talk about, right? And I would have never done justice to any of these topics had I not felt deep in my core that, you know what, they actually matter. Just remember that there's only the dedication and conviction can draw attention to your work. नथिंग एल्स कैन. ये ट्रेंड चल रहा है, वो कर रहा है, वो ये कर रही है, इसका चल गया मेरा चलेगा, मैं भी कर लूँगा, ये nothing is going to work. People are just going to see the conviction and dedication through the screen. That's it. Now for example, what I do to sort of maintain a balance is, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता है कि यार कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि maybe this is what I want to do but this is not what people want to watch. So वहाँ पे वो एक clash हो जाता है. So what I do is, there are now, the beauty is that we have shorts on we have shorts on YouTube. Okay, so the thing is कि आपको choice मिल गई है. You can put out long form content as well as short form content. So what I do is, on long form content I put all the kind of videos that I deeply feel about in my core, like कि self development, self love, and जो भी सारे manifestation, motivation, all of these things that I deeply feel about, I put it up as a long form video out there. And in my short form videos I experiment. I put out vlogs, I put out शादी के vlogs, I put out random कुछ भी video, I put out any video basically. I'm not that serious with shorts. Let me tell you, I'm not that serious with shorts. I literally put up anything that I feel like कि चलो कर देते हैं ये. So you know what, there are always ways to figure out things in some form or the other. You just need to do justice to the department that you have chosen for yourself. For example, anything that you love doing, anything that you feel about or love talking about, just do that with full conviction. That's it. We're all here for that. Point number 4 and the last one in this video is how to even find your niche. Now here, first up is by experimenting. You have to experiment to find the things that you love and the things that are working in your favor. That's it. There's no way, there's no escape from this point. आपको experiment करना ही पड़ेगा. For example, simple सा example ले रही हूँ. If you go to a restaurant and if you go in mind कि मेरे को यही खाना है, तो वही चीज़ खाओगे, उसको खा के वापस आ जाओगे घर. But if you go in mind with the thing that let me just try like a few dishes from this place, तो आप 4 dishes try करोगे, उसमें आपको पता लगेगा ना कि हाँ भाई ये भी अच्छी है. मैं समझ रहा था पहली वाली अच्छी है पर ये भी मुझे पसंद आ गई, मुझे तो ये भी पसंद आ गई. सो दिस इज़ a lame example, I know, but this is how things work on YouTube as well. You need to experiment. You need to make every kind of video. Make a video on gyan, make a video on beauty, make a video on lifestyle, make a video on fitness. Anything that you feel that आप कर सकते हो या आप उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हो, आपको इतनी सी भी नॉलेज है उस चीज़ के बारे में बात करने के लिए, just make a video on that and then ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल सी कि हाँ भाई मेरे को ये फिटनेस वाले बनाने में इतना मज़ा नहीं आया, बट जब मैंने स्पिरिचुअलिटी की बात करी तो आई थिंक मुझे मज़ा आया. दिस इज़ फर्स्ट स्टेप टू नोइंग व्हाट योर नीश इज. पॉइंट नंबर 2 हियर इज़ बाय सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. यस, सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन मतलब आप बैठ के सोचो कि यू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज़ आई लाइक टू वॉच एज अ व्यूअर. ठीक है, किन लोगों का कॉन्टेंट मैं सबसे ज़्यादा कंज्यूम कर रही हूँ एंड what are the videos that I'm relating to the most. For example, in my case, I have always loved, you know, makeup and chit chat, sit down kind of videos. I've always loved self-love talks or mindset shift talks or you know talks on manifestation, on spirituality. So Tam Kaur, Malvika Sitlani. Lately I've been loving Yashasvi Rajput for her vlogs. She's amazing and very funny, I feel. So I think that, you know, just sit down and just see कि what do you love watching, the kind of people you love watching on YouTube, कौन सा content आप usually consume कर रहे हो. So usually it will automatically give you the direction with respect to what you know you can do with your own channel. Last point as to how to find your niche is be consistent. Be consistent. You know, when it is related to my point number 1 is that experiment with your channel. But be consistent with experimenting. That's what I'm saying. If you're serious for YouTube, okay, don't just be like, okay, once in a month I'll put up a video and then I'll see and then expect yourself to find a niche. It will not work कि महीने में आपने एक वीडियो डाल दी and then you're expecting that niche नहीं पता लग पा रही मुझे मेरी कौन सी है. No, it will be like at least post 2 videos a week at least 2 videos a week. It can be 2 shorts, it can be 2 long form videos, any kind of videos, but at least try and post 2 videos on YouTube just to see कि आपके पास एक गुड बैंक ऑफ वीडियोस जमा हो जाए 3 महीने तक, ताकि फिर 3 महीने बाद आप एक्चुअली बैठ के सोच पाओ कि हाँ भाई, दिस इज़ द नंबर ऑफ वीडियोज़ जिसमें मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आया था, ये तो मैंने मुंह बना के बनाई है. सो ऑटोमेटिकली यूल गेट द आंसर्स, बट यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट टू नो वॉट यू लव डूइंग. कौन सी चीज़ करने में आपको सबसे ज़्यादा बात करने में मज़ा आ रहा है, कौन सी चीज़ आप बात करने में बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो, एंड यू नो द थिंग्स दैट यू फील द मोस्ट कॉन्फिडेंट सेल्फ इन. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज आंसर्स लाई इन consistency. That's all for the video today, guys. I really hope it is of some help to somebody. Again, I'm saying I'm not an expert. I've barely started my YouTube journey, okay? And all of the points that I've said are the points that really helped me personally in finding my own niche. So hopefully it is of some help to you as well. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.